Good day from the office of the mob, Justice Football, your advocate here, advocating the war. Orlando Pirates Football Club has granted coach Jose Riveiro an early release to his contract. As of public knowledge, it was known that Riveiro will leave at the end of the season. So tomorrow is the last time for Jose Riveiro to sit on bench when we face against Golden Arrows at Orlando. So it's a bit farewell for him tomorrow, as we'll be saying it goodbyes to the club. He has appreciated the club for granting him this early release and appreciating the opportunity that Orlando Pirates has given to him. So as the advocate, I'm granting this period until the end of the season, a mourning period, a period of taking the pain, a period of readjusting and collecting all the energy, because next season the mourning period is over. We are the mighty Buccaneers once and always.